all 8 scientists who invented the T in ChatGPT. The T in ChatGPT stands for transformer. That's a type of neural network that can process data, whether it's text or images, by analyzing the different elements on a sequence all at once. It uses a technique called attention. The scientists who figured this out were all working at Google in 2017. Now, Google back then used cutting-edge AI systems called recurrent neural networks, and everybody thought they were so cutting-edge that, hey, they didn't need to be replaced. But these 8 scientists thought, if it ain't broke, break it. So they spent about 5 or 6 months experimenting on a new technique to improve Google Translate. Did you ever try using Google Translate in 2017? Because it was terrible, especially for non-Latin languages like Chinese to Russian. But these scientists, who were fluent in languages from German and French and Russian, they started to notice that their technique made it way better. So they worked past midnight. Some were sleeping in the